Hi there. Today we will talk about how to connect Namecheap domain with Hostinger. So let's try it out. And for this, you need a Hostinger website subscription. After it, here you will see my all website, which I am hosting. Now in order to connect the Namecheap domain in the Hostinger, take a look on the top, you can see the option websites. Once you will click on the option website, you will get access to the Hostinger websites. Here you can see the option of create or migrate a website. Click on it. And here it will show some types of website, but I will click on the option skip. I don't want personalized experience. Once you will click on it, all the tutorial will be skipped. And here you will see two options: create a new website or migrate my website. Here I will select this option to create a new website. Once I will select, again I'll tap on the option to skip. I will start from scratch. Now here you can see two options. Choose a domain or use an existing domain, like I have my Namecheap domains. So I will click this option select. And here I need to place the domain URL. So let me move to my Namecheap. And here you can see I am on my Namecheap website. Here, take a look on the left side. You will see multiple options from here. Select option domain list. Once I will click on it, you will see all the domains which I have, and I want to connect this domain to the Hostinger, so I will copy it. Now, I'll jump to the Hostinger and will paste the link here. After pasting, I'll select the option Continue. After it, you can see it recognizes the provider name, and here I need to complete few requirements, which are name server. So I need to add these name servers. Let me click on the option Continue. And here I need to connect my domain, so that's why I will click on option Connect. And tap on the option Let's Start. Here you can see, find all the name servers and change to the Hostinger. So I will jump to my Namecheap and I will click on the option Manage. Once I will click on option Manage, you can see the name server. Let me click on it and tap on the option Custom DNS. I will click on it. Now you can see the requirements of servers. So now jump to the Hostinger and copy the first name server and paste in the Namecheap. After it, move to your Hostinger and copy the second one and paste here. After pasting, you can see the tick icon, click on it. Now name servers are added. Jump to your Hostinger and tap on the option Continue. Once you'll click on it, it's saying all set, and name servers require up to 24 hours. Click on the option Finish. And again, tap on the option Finish. And now you can see I can view my website if I click on it. Now is saying you are all set to go, but it is not fully loaded. As I said, it will take 24 to 48 hours, so you have to be patient and wait for that. After it, if you will click on this option, here you can see my Namecheap website is now on Hostinger, and it was the way by which you can do it quickly, so